Want to easily locate your mouse while dimming everything around it on your Mac? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable the spotlight feature and turn off the lights for desktop on Mac. This feature dims your entire screen while creating a spotlight that follows your mouse cursor, even across multiple screens. First, click on the lamp button. In the menu panel, select Settings from the menu items. The Settings window will appear. Click on the Display tab. Under View Type, select the Spotlight Radio button. Close the Settings window and dim the entire screen. As you move your mouse, a circular spotlight will follow it in any direction. Additionally, when you open a menu item from the Apple menu bar, you will see the circle spotlight appear on top of it. Now, let us go back to the Settings window. There is another option called Rectangle. This feature dims the entire screen, but when you click and hold your mouse, then drag diagonally, down to the right, it will draw a rectangle where the dimming layer is cut out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.